So what do you do when you have coins with green on them? Sometimes this is sticky. What it is, it's residue from plastic, a chemical reaction. They call it PVC residue, and it can get on coins from being stored in vinyl. It is a contaminant. It needs to be removed from the coins. These coins will not grade, even though they're not worth grading. They will not grade out without this removed. So sometimes though, coins like this, when you remove it, can still look clean. But I want to show you what you do. 100% acetone, pure acetone. You can buy this at CVS. You can buy it at any drugstore. And you want to take these out of the holder. Take a paper towel. You dip a Q-tip in acetone, and you slowly, just barely go over the coin. Now the coin is pretty much restored back to its normal state. Now you can dip if you want to, but you got to watch because you can contaminate your acetone doing that. That's why I recommend using a Q-tip. And here is the reverse of it. We'll do this a little bit quicker. It doesn't take that long to do it, and you can, like I said, you can dip it if you want to. It's up to you. If you feel uncomfortable with a Q-tip on your coin, but like I said, this is not going to scratch the coin. I'm barely rubbing this coin. So this one here, it may still look cleaned even after this is applied because the coin's got a little bit of a cleaned appearance to it, but it's going to look so much better without that green on it. And I am liberally applying it because it does evaporate. I don't like getting it on my hands. It turns my skin white. It's not really healthy. So I am kind of using a dirty Q-tip, but I'm doing that on purpose. I want to show you what it looks like. That's all that green that it dissolves and removed from the coin surface. We'll flip it over and we'll do it again. And it's just, I've got probably a roll of coins from a collection that I showed in a previous video. And they're like this. But I know that I can remove it even though this coin looks clean now. It's not the acetone that did that though. This coin was already like this before it was put in a vinyl flip. That's what other people will have to understand too. When you have a clean coin, doesn't mean you cleaned it. You could have had that coin for 100 years. Somebody cleaned it before you got it if it's cleaned, if you didn't do it. So there you go. And you can see some of the residue on the paper towel. And here's both the coins and the results. But a lot better. Look a lot better than what they did. So my name is Daniel. You're watching Coin Help You. Thanks for watching my latest video. Please like, share, and comment, and have a great day.